On August 1st, 1834, Jamaica was offered emancipation from servitude with apprenticeship, and 4 years later, in 1838, were given their full freedom. Post-servitude was very difficult for the poorer groups of people on the island. Under the oligarchy system or the feudalism governance, the will and the need of the people was not seen as important and was ignored. This gave birth to a tenacious and formidable character demonstration in the people. Jamaicans started an uprising that led to the Morant Bay Rebellion, which saw a group of trailblazers fighting for the independence, upliftment, and advancement of all groups of Jamaicans. 90 years later, and Jamaicans are still suffering from the silent echoes of the colonial conditioning that is subconsciously reverberating through the generations. Mahatma Gandhi says, a nation's culture resides in the heart and in the soul of its people. And King Solomon says, as a man think in his heart, so is he. Therefore, every Jamaican has to play their part in the advancement of our nation through actioning Marcus Garvey's call to emancipate ourselves from mental slavery. Because whilst others might free the body, none but ourselves can free our mind.